Modern cars are packed with safety features, airbags, seat belts, stability control. Everyone knows about those. But what most drivers don't realize is that many cars also have hidden safety features that are rarely explained, often ignored, and sometimes never used. These features aren't flashy, they don't get advertised, but in the right moment, they can mean the difference between a close call and a serious accident. Today, we're revealing 10 hidden car features that most people don't know about, but could save your life. 10. Automatic door unlock after a crash. In many modern cars, doors automatically unlock after a serious impact. This allows passengers to escape quickly and gives first responders immediate access without breaking windows. In dangerous situations like fires or submerged vehicles, those few seconds matter. Most drivers don't even know this feature exists until the moment they need it. 9. Fuel pump shut-off switch. After a collision, many cars automatically shut off the fuel pump. This prevents fuel from continuing to flow if a fuel line is damaged, significantly reducing the risk of fire or explosion. You may never notice it working, but it's quietly protecting you after impact. It's one of the most important hidden safety systems in your car. 8. Panic brake assist. If you slam the brakes suddenly, your car may automatically apply maximum braking force, even if you didn't press the pedal hard enough. In emergencies, many drivers hesitate or don't brake aggressively enough. Brake assist recognizes panic stops and takes over instantly. That extra braking power can be the difference between stopping in time or hitting what's ahead. 7. Rear seat belt pretensioners. Most people think seat belt pretensioners are only for the front seats. They're not. In many newer vehicles, rear seat belts also tighten instantly during a crash, pulling passengers firmly into their seats before impact. This dramatically reduces injuries, especially for children and back seat passengers, and is often never mentioned during purchase. 6. Automatic headlight activation in emergencies. In some cars, hazard lights and headlights turn on automatically during hard braking or airbag deployment. This makes your vehicle more visible to other drivers, especially at night or in poor weather. It reduces the risk of secondary collisions, which are often just as dangerous as the first crash. Visibility saves lives. 5. Whiplash protection systems. Some seats are designed to move with your body during a rear-end collision. Instead of staying rigid, the headrest and seat back shift in a controlled way to reduce neck movement. This significantly lowers the risk of long-term neck and spine injuries. You'll never notice this feature unless it activates. 4. Tire pressure monitoring warnings you ignore. Low tire pressure isn't just about fuel economy, it affects grip, braking distance, and stability. Many drivers ignore tire pressure warnings for weeks or months, but underinflated tires are far more likely to fail at high speeds or during sudden maneuvers. That small dashboard light is quietly warning you about a potential loss of control. 3. Child lock auto re-engage. Some vehicles automatically reactivate child locks after being turned off. This prevents children from accidentally opening doors while driving, even if someone disabled the lock earlier. It's a small feature, but it prevents one of the most dangerous situations imaginable. 2. Automatic window roll down after submersion. In certain cars, if airbags deploy or electrical systems detect water immersion, windows may automatically lower. This prevents passengers from being trapped when doors won't open underwater. It gives you a critical escape route when time matters most. Very few drivers know this feature exists, but it has already saved lives. 1. Emergency steering assist. This is one of the most advanced hidden features in modern cars. If your vehicle detects that you're steering too little or too late during an emergency, it can assist your steering input to help you avoid an obstacle. It doesn't take control, it helps you finish the maneuver. And in high-speed emergencies, that assistance can prevent a deadly collision. Final thoughts: your car is doing more to protect you than you realize. Many of these features work silently, automatically, and without warning. That's why so many people don't know they exist until the moment they activate. Understanding these systems doesn't just make you a smarter driver, it makes you a safer one. So the next time your car beeps, flashes a warning, or reacts before you do, remember this: it might be saving your life.